What do you do when no one believes in you? What do you do when the evidence all around you suggests you'll be stuck in this mess forever? It feels like you're standing alone in a vast desert, the scorching sun of doubt bearing down on you, and the only footprints in the sand are your own. It's easy to lose heart, it's tempting to surrender, but it's precisely at this moment when the power of self-belief becomes vital. Imagine you're in a boxing ring. On one side there's the heavyweight champion of the world, on the other it's you. But here's the twist, you're not fighting the champion, you're fighting yourself. This is the battle of self-belief. The opponent is not the world, it's the voice inside your head. This voice can either be your worst enemy or your best ally. It can whisper words of defeat or it can cheer you on with a chant of victory. It can convince you to throw in the towel or it can inspire you to keep fighting. The choice is yours. In the midst of adversity, when the naysayers are loud and the odds seem stacked against you, find that other voice. The real voice, the voice that says, there is a way out of this. The voice that reassures, it is possible to get through this. The voice that asserts, I have what it takes. It's not about denying the reality of the situation. It's about refusing to let that reality dictate your destiny. It's about choosing to focus on your potential rather than your problems. It's about deciding to chase your dreams, regardless of the hurdles in the path. Remember, the loudest voices in the room aren't always the wisest. They may tell you that you're crazy, they may laugh at your ambitions, but you don't have to listen. Block them out. Tune into your own voice. Focus on your goals. Strive for them with all your might. You've got to speak to yourself positively, day in and day out. Focus all your energy and effort on things you're striving for, and as you convince yourself, you will begin to see yourself doing better than ever before. This is the power of self-belief. It's not just about thinking you can, it's about knowing you will. Scene script. Trust yourself and believe in yourself that everything is going to be all right. Those people who can face rejection again and again, who can handle going through defeat again and again, these are the people who end up on top. Resilience, that's the golden ticket. It's the backbone of every success story. It's the undeniable power that propels you forward, even when the odds are stacked against you. The ability to dust yourself off, stand up straight and say, I'm ready for another round. This is what separates the dreamers from the doers, the hopeful from the triumphant. Overcoming challenges isn't about avoiding failure. Quite the contrary, it's about embracing it. It's about understanding that each stumble, each fall, is an opportunity to learn, an opportunity to grow. It's about seeing every setback as a setup for a comeback, a stepping stone on your path to success. Persistence, coupled with a positive attitude, is a formidable force. It's the fuel that keeps your dreams alive, that keeps your inner flame burning bright. It's the unwavering belief that you are capable, that you are enough. It's the silent whisper in your ear, telling you to keep going, to keep pushing, to keep striving. But remember, it's not just about proving your doubters wrong. It's about proving yourself right. It's about showing the world that you have what it takes, that you are not just a dreamer, but a doer. It's about rising above the naysayers, the critics, the haters, and showing them that you are not just capable of success, but you are destined for it. And when you finally achieve that success, when you finally reach that pinnacle, it's not just a victory for you. It's a victory for every person who ever doubted you, every person who ever told you that you couldn't do it. Because your success is the best revenge against those who doubted you. It's the proof that you are more than they ever thought you could be. The best revenge in life is massive success. I will not settle, even if I have to start over, even if it took longer than I expected, even if I have to crawl on my hands and knees. I will